gonna get that fixed today. Look at those under eye bags. Come through, under eye bags. What's up, y'all? It's really hot in my bathroom. So, you guys saw the last video. If you didn't, I'll link it right here. It was basically me trying to dye my hair gray with the Schwarzkopf something. I believe it's German. This is not silver. Excuse my... God, that's such a bad scar. I'm gonna get it removed. Definitely not silver. So today, oh God, I forgot the baking soda downstairs. Well, let's just go on with the things that you're going to need. You can either use dandruff shampoo or purple shampoo. I've seen recipes for both. I have both. The most important thing, I suppose, is baking soda. I have a generic dandruff shampoo, purple shampoo. You're gonna need some developer. I've also seen this done without developer, but I have it. My hair needs to lighten after this gray. My hair was very like bright before I dyed it this silver color. Some dish soap. Clips are optional, but I definitely do recommend them. And then you're just gonna need a brush. And then I also just have a bowl to mix it all in. And you might just need a cape. You're actually not gonna need a cape unless you want to go fight crime afterwards. I just like this shirt and I don't want to get anything on it. If you're somebody that dyes your hair, then you will probably have every single thing that I've mentioned. There wasn't a lot of directions, like how much you're supposed to put in of everything. Like I'm literally just gonna wing it. I'm not gonna use a lot of developer because this is 20 volume and I don't want any damage to my hair. I'm gonna start in by adding some dandruff shampoo. Oh my God. Wow. Okay guys, the shelf just fell in my mom's room. I don't know how much to add of anything. I have some of this purple shampoo that really doesn't work if I'm completely honest. I don't know, maybe a little squirt. A little squirt. Well, this doesn't look like it's a lot though. I need this to cover my whole head. Some developer. I don't want to use too much because like that's obviously gonna lift my hair. I saw some girl do 2 big squirts. Okay, I did 2.5 biggies. And here's the baking soda. Oh God, how much do I add? Do I add water to this? This is what it's looking like before I mix it. I'm gonna go in and just... I'm gonna add a little bit more shampoo in it. Maybe a tad bit more of the purple as well. I'm hoping that this is good. I'm gonna put just a bit of the baking soda just to thicken it up a bit because it's kind of thin. I'm just gonna put my hair in a few sections. I'm gonna put some gloves on and then I'll come back. That's about how thick it is. I feel like it could be thicker, but I think it'll be fine. I think I'm just tripping. I'm gonna take little sections of my hair and I'm going to apply it. Hey guys, so I just wanted to say, LOL fucking L at me making a tutorial and not knowing what the fuck I am doing. What the fuck? Oh my God. Okay, so we've got a good portion done. I'm gonna finish the rest of my head and I will see you guys when I'm finished. My entire head is done. I'm going to leave this on my head for 30 or 45 minutes. I've seen some girls do it for 2 hours, but because I have 20 developer in there, I'm not gonna chance it. I definitely expect this to make my hair dry. I'm putting developer and 2 types of shampoo. I'm gonna wrap my head up in a bag and then I'll be back. Okay everyone, we are back. It has been about maybe almost 40 minutes. I left it in a little long. It's not burning, I don't feel any damage whatsoever. Okay. Okay, yeah, the back is dark, but it was like that before. But I think that mostly it took most of the color out. I'm gonna wash this out and we're gonna see. And I also have some
platinum color depositing conditioner that I'm going to throw into it. It is Color Lux. I'll insert a picture of it. It did a really good job. It's a yes for me, and obviously you guys can change some of the products. I obviously didn't give you a measurement guide. I'm sure you can eye it out. You're smart, sis. But that's gonna be it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you later.